Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a 21-day guide to achieving success, how to set goals and reach them in a short time. The video explains a plan of 21 days to get a success, goal setting, success plan, success strategy, and reach goals fast. So before starting the video, those who have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And if you like our videos, please like and comment about any mistakes or any improvements that are needed in our way of presentation. So come friends, without wasting the time, let us come to the topic of the day, that is a 21-day guide to achieving success. Before you can start on your journey to success, it is important to first understand what success means to you and then define the goals that will help bring that vision of success into fruition. Take some time to reflect on your values and what would truly make you feel accomplished. This will give you a better idea of where your focus should be when setting out on this path. Once you have identified what is that you are striving for, create achievable goals that will help guide and motivate you in the right direction. So first, when you are planning for a 21-day to achieve your success, first you divide that into three parts, that is day 1 to 7 first part, day 8 to 14 second part, and the third part will be day 15 to 21. So day 1 to 7, setting smart goals which are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound is a great way to keep yourself motivated and on track to reach your desired objectives. It is important that you take the time to truly assess your goals before putting them into action in order to ensure they are realistic and achievable. Once you have set your SMART goals, it's then up to you to stay committed and put in the work needed in order to stick with them. This could involve creating a plan of action, breaking down long term goals into smaller milestones or tasks, and rewarding yourself for specific accomplishments along. Day 8 to 14. Developing the habits that are essential for successful goal achievement is key to achieving success in life. Having strong and positive habits such as planning, self discipline, focus, resilience, and mental strength will help you to stay on track and reach your goals. It's also important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and be willing to take actionable steps towards it. With a combination of these habits and consistent effort over time, you can create the life you desire. Third part, day 15 to 21. If you are feeling like you are stuck in a rut and not making any progress towards your goals, it's time to take action. Here are some strategies for getting out of a rut and reaching your goals faster. Make a plan, break down tasks into smaller ones, stay motivated by setting achievable milestones. Focus on the positive aspects of your life. Practice self care to reduce stress and anxiety. Take risks and don't be afraid to try something new. By applying these strategies consistently over time, you can get out of the rut and reach your goals faster. So, in conclusion, it is important to stay focused on your goals and not to give up when things get tough. With perseverance, you will make progress and eventually reach your objectives. Keep going, stay determined, and don't forget to celebrate each small victory along the way. Acknowledge all of the hard work you have put in, no matter how big or small the success may be. It is still a step closer to achieving your end goal. And lastly, you should be thankful to the God who has given the strength to achieve your success in life. So, friends, these 21-day guide will help you in getting success in your life. So, I think you like this video and share and subscribe to our channels. Goodbye for the day.